Hi, so this is your second video for Tuesday. We just finished doing, you did this page yesterday, you did this page today where you filled out the blocks, and now I want you to go to the next page that says put review words into alphabetical order. Okay, and it says Wednesday, but we're going to do it today on Tuesday. So you're doing 2 pages of spelling on Tuesday. Okay, so this is the page that we're doing. Please go ahead and find that. Remember, we're not doing this, and this is completely optional. Esto es completamente opcional, y esta semana no vamos a hacerlo. So you have your pencil, ya tienes tu lápiz, and let's start on this page, okay? Let me set this up. Okay, great. So the first thing we do, who can tell me? The first thing we do is put our name, of course. So Miss J, and you put your name. And then we're gonna do the date, which is 9, because it's month 9. And then it is day 29. And what's the year? 2020. All right. So what does alphabetical order mean? Have you heard of that before? Is that a term that you know, right? So in Spanish, it's called ordenar alfabéticamente las palabras. Have you done that before? ¿Lo han hecho? All right, so as you can see, remember that I'm gonna write in red and you don't need to write in red. No tienen que escribir lo que yo escribo en rojo. So here is our alphabet, okay? Up here, we have the lowercase, and down here, we have the uppercase, okay? Good. So, down here is our list of words, our list of 10 words for week 8, right? We have to decide, of these words, if we were to put them in alphabetical order, right, from A to Z, which word would go first? Which word will go first? So, let's do it like this. Let's just start and see. So if we're here in A, we're here with A, I'm looking through, do I have any of these words that start with A? Tell me, do you see a word that starts with A? Away, yes. So that's the very first word. And like, I'm gonna put a little check mark because we found a one with away. All right, so let's write away in number 1, and it's in lowercase. You're writing this with me. A, W, A, Y, away, okay? Away is number 1 because it starts with what letter? It starts with A. Yes, yes, yes. All right, great. So now let's keep going. The next letter is B. So we did away. Do we have any words that start with B? Do you see? Tell me first, do you see one that starts with a B? I see one. Bit, okay? So I'm gonna cross off the B, and there's no uppercase A, and there's no uppercase B. So we can keep going. And the second word we're going to write is B, because B comes after A. B, I, T, bit. Okay? So here I am in red. No tienen que escribir en rojo. You don't need to write in red. Here's bit. All right, the next one is C. The next letter, A, B, C. Are there any C's? No, and no uppercase C's. The next word, A, B, C, D. Let's find if there's any D's. That's not a D, that's not a D. That's not a D, this is not a D. That one was taken. S, D. Oh, D for dig. Yes, dig starts with D. D. So, what are we going to do? What are we going to write? Where are we going to write here for number 3? For number 3, we're going to write dig because we're putting our words in alphabetical order. Ordenar alfabéticamente las palabras. Dig. Great. So then again, I can cross off D. There's no uppercase D, and I can cross off D. I'm going to do one more with you, and you're going to do the rest on your own. So we're going to do number 4 together. All right. I'm cruising down the alphabet more. E. Are there any words that start with E? Hay una palabra que empieza con letra E. No. Next is A, B, C, D, E, F. F. Hay una palabra que empieza con la letra F. No, 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 no F, no F. All right. Is there a word that starts with a G? Nope, I don't see any ones with G. Okay. H? No H. I. Yes, this little word, it. It, right, with an I. So I'm going to cross that off, and I'm going to write it in number 4. Okay. I, and remember it's lowercase. I, T. It. Miss J has the bad habit of doing her T's like that. It's not how you should do T's. So I, T, it. It's it, right? It's mine. What is it, right? It. I know where it is, right? It. All right, so you're going to do, so we did almost halfway. You are going to find out for 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, okay? And then what order it goes in, and using the alphabet, all right? And when you're all done, make sure your name and the date is on it and all the words are filled out. And when you're done, you're going to take a picture of it on Seesaw. So just so you remember, you're putting this on Seesaw when it's done, and you're putting up your block worksheets. So 2 pages today. Okay, the alphabetical order, ordenar las palabras, ordenar alfabéticamente las palabras, and the blocks. All right, good job.